Hello, beautiful souls. And this is going to be the first of 4 light code activation and clearing sessions. So we are at the tail end of this Lionsgate portal. So for the next 4 days, I wanted to put out these pure channelings because I got this guidance that really where we are is we are the first group of people, beings here on Earth that are ushering in this age of Aquarius. We're in it. We're in the new age. But we are carrying with us a lot of dense energy still from that old paradigm through our ancestry, through our genes, through our incarnations. And so this activation and clearing session is going to clear these old paradigm energies from you on the deepest core level. And it's going to activate light codes within you so that we are aligned with this new age that we're in. And now these will be non-guided. There's really no words for the energy that's going to be coming through. And all you have to do is surrender and be open. And as I stated again and again in the Lionsgate series, we're really stepping into something completely new and foreign to our humanness, to our human minds. And now it's going to feel like home to our souls. But we're not going to be able to truly predict and try and figure out what this is going to be like, what it's going to feel like. The best way to allow this upgrade to happen is just simply surrender. And so every activation will be 8 minutes long, and then I will pull from the Starseed Oracle card deck, 1 card, read you the description, that will be at the end for anybody who's interested, just for a little guidance. And so for anybody who is new to my videos, I am an energy channel, and so for this activation, I will be channeling new earth, new paradigm energy through me into you. It is a heaven on earth utopia energy that I'm feeling. And so it's not my energy, I'm a conduit for this. I'm going to be channeling it through me into you. And the visual that I get is it kind of acts like as a fire hose and just hoses off all of that heavy and dense energies from this old paradigm that we don't need anymore and they don't serve us. And then you get a transmission. And again, how it looks in my mind's eye is there aren't words. It's numbers and it's symbols, sacred geometry that's going to be channeled into your entire being. And so all you have to do is completely allow and surrender. And if you are open and receptive to this light code activation, please state yes now. I'm going to be silent for the next 8 minutes. I will let you know when the channeling is complete. This channeling is now complete, and I will read you the card that I pulled for this session. So the card that I got was the Golden Children, Inner Child, Tenderness, Innocence, and Rare Gifts. And I'll read from the book. Golden children, or children of the sun, are highly advanced, extremely intelligent souls who are incarnating increasingly on this planet Earth. They have little or no personal karma and possess incredible gifts and intuitive abilities. Golden children are born with a very clear mission. Many remember it from a young age and begin answering and sharing it early in life. Due to their unique intelligence, they may find themselves easily bored at school. Most have never incarnated on Earth before, and so they're not supported in the right ways. They struggle with physical life here. If they're not supported in the right ways, they struggle with physical life here. I'm sorry, it's hard to go from channeling that intense energy to having to read something. And so if you pulled this card, it may be a sign that you're being called to mother, father, or nurture a child. You may be called to tend to your own inner child, a creative idea or project, or a new beginning, to treat yourself or the new beginning with sweet, tender love, to nurture and nourish it, to give it every chance to grow and reach adulthood, to encourage it, to water it, to see the world through the innocence of a child, to see yourself and all others as innocent children, to remember that deep down, everyone is trying their best, and if they're treated with a tender heart, they'll not harden as the journey through this great adventure called life. And so the card is encouraging to ask yourself, how can you treat yourself or others more tenderly today? And what I get several messages from this. Many of you may be indigo or starseed beings who came here with this mission. We are, in fact, birthing this new earth through our collective consciousness. And many of you will be birthing ideas into creation. For some, this clearing you're going through now is affecting your children that you are a parent of currently, or those who you will be a parent of in the future. And we are almost setting the stage for these divine beings to come here and really change the earth on a deeper level. So those are just the intuitive messages that came through, but take what resonates for you and your journey. I am going to do this also for Twin Flames, so I will put that out next. It will just be for those on the Twin Flame journey. And like I said, I'll be doing 4 of these and 4 for Twin Flames as well over the course of the next 4 days. The next ones will be shorter because you know the drill, and we'll just get right into it. And so I'm sending you so much love and light. Extensive healings are always linked below, and I'll talk with you next time.